This webinar is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment from your healthcare provider. Information shared today reflects general knowledge about breathing and titin-related conditions. Individual needs can vary widely, especially for people living with titinopathies. Always talk to your doctor, pulmonologist, or healthcare team before making changes to your healthcare treatment plan. As most of you know, changes in the titin gene can cause a spectrum of muscle and heart disorders. The age of onset can range from before birth to adulthood, and the severity of the impact on health is variable. Breathing difficulty and titinopathy is common. In one study of a group of people with congenital titinopathy published in 2018, it showed that 63% of the group had respiratory insufficiency, 40% used nighttime or full-time ventilation, 20% faced frequent or severe respiratory infections, and 17% had paradoxical breathing pattern, which is a symptom of breathing difficulty. Additionally, this study showed the presence of trunk weakness, scoliosis and other spine changes, and chest wall structural changes, all of which can impact breathing function. The same paper showed that 46% of people with congenital titinopathy had heart involvement, which I will touch on shortly. Partial results from the Titin natural history study looked at breathing function over time in children with titin-related congenital myopathies. This is the first natural history study to show potential worsening respiratory involvement over time in children with this condition. Results showed that 56% of the children had respiratory impairment, and roughly 24% needed breathing support. Almost half had a history of recent chest infections, 40% of which required hospitalization. Please note that this study is small and still ongoing, and I really want to thank all the families who participated in this study so that we could have this data available. It really matters, so thank you. I should also note that the spectrum of titinopathies also includes hereditary myopathy with early respiratory failure, or HMRF. This subtype generally emerges in adulthood and results in muscle weakness and breathing difficulty. And most people with HMRF progress to ventilatory support during the course of their disease. Please note that there's also overlap between heart health problems and breathing difficulty. Heart problems like cardiomyopathy, heart failure, atrial fibrillation, and other arrhythmias can happen with disease-causing variants in titin. Shortness of breath and difficulty when laying flat, called orthopnea, are common signs of titin-related heart failure. It is important to discuss breathing difficulty with your medical team, preferably one with expertise in neuromuscular disease or inherited heart conditions. The point is that breathing difficulty is an important topic to have on your radar when you're living with titin-related muscle or heart disorders.